I'm filming this because people have asked me for it. So this is my aluminium digi-gurdy, but the way it works is exactly the same as the normal versions. The screen is here, so I'll turn it on, and I've got the audio, the headphone socket connected to a little speaker here, and that's just come on. So we've got to our initial menu, and I'm just going to load a preset. So if you remember, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on when you look at the numbers in the menu. So we'll load the preset. So I'm going to load a preset, so I'll press 1. There we are. And now it's asking me which of the presets I want to use. So I'm actually going to use number 3. So I'll press this key, third one along. Okay, and now it's telling me what, see if I can get you close up there. It's telling me what each string is tuned to. So I'm going to accept that and press OK. So if you remember, the OK button is this one, or you can just press 1 again. So to accept something is that key. To reject something and go back in a menu is this key. Okay, so we'll accept it. Right, and it's saying crank on. Okay, so if I turn the crank, we should get some sound. Oh, here we go. Now you might think the drone is a bit loud there, and the buzz is a little quiet. So see what you think. Okay, the drone is a bit loud. So the question I've been asked is, how do you individually, when you're using the headphones, how do you individually change the volume of each channel, each string if you like? So I'll show you. So we're in play mode, which means if I turn the crank, noise will come out. So we're going to press pause. That's this button here. Right, now you see option 3 is tuning / volume. So we want the volume, and it's number 3, key 3. 1, 2, 3. So we press that one. Select that. Right, now there's various tuning options if you want to manually do a custom tuning, but today we're just going to do volume control number 4. So let's press key number 4. Right, now you see each string is set to a value of 70. We can go up from that or down from that. So I'm going to reduce the drone. So the drone is number 4. So let's select that, key 4. Right, now we can go up and down. So to go up and down, just keep pressing that to go up, keep pressing this one to go down. Okay, so look, if we go up, that makes it even louder, but we want to go down, so I'm going to press the end key there. Right, down, down, down. Let's take it down to 60 maybe. Okay, and X is done, or go back. Remember, this is X, which is go back. So press that. Now you see there it is at 60. I'm going to make the buzz a bit louder as well. So let's select key 5. Make sure I press the right one. Right, see it says buzz, up, down, key 1 is down, key 2 is up. 1, 2. So let's make the buzz a bit louder. So we'll go for 80. And we'll select that, so we'll press the X key. Okay, so there it is. So our drone is a bit quieter, our buzz is a bit louder. X is go back. So go back again. We're going back through the menus. Now you see there, option 2. If I turn the power off now and boot it up again, those values will all have reset to 70. So I want to save this tuning, and it'll save those volumes. even though I'm using a preset tuning from the preset menu, if I save it now, I can recover it later with those volume settings. So I'm going to press key number 2 to save it. Now it's asking me which slot, there's 4 custom tuning slots, do I want to save it to. I'm going to use slot number 1. So I'm going to press key number 1. Right, and it says it's saved to EEPROM. What's EEPROM? EEPROM just means it's the memory that's there even when the power's off. So it's like a permanent memory. So I'm going to turn the whole machine off, right? And then we're going to see if it's remembered it. So we'll turn it on again, power up. This version of the hurdy-gurdy has an on-off button. Normally you would just connect the USB power in the end and it will come on. Let it boot up. So I'm going to load, I'm not going to load a preset, I'm going to load from a save slot. Okay, so I don't want option 1, I want option 2. Right, see there are the save slots. Now 2, 3 and 4 are empty, I haven't saved anything to them, but slot 1 I saved my last settings to. So let's press 1. Right, there they are. It doesn't tell you anything about the volumes. So let's press OK. Right, so should get some sound. Now you notice the buzz sounds louder, doesn't it? Right, let's see what the settings are. So we'll go to pause. Right, and we'll go to tuning volume. That's option 3. Option 3, yeah? Right, volume control, option 4. There they are. Now you can see it's remembered them. The buzz is 80 and the drone is 60 and the others are all at the default of 70. So it's remembered them. So long as you load it from the save slot that you saved it to before, it'll remember the volume settings. So I hope that helps you a little bit.